Will you like your new rug, Elliot?
Take it off.
No.
Did you take this off?
No, you can't take it off. Elliot, don't take it off. No, Elliot, I'm gonna take it away. Leave it where it is. Or I'm gonna put it in Papa's room.
Oh, where's the feces?
Huh?
Where's the feces?
What about what?
Where's the feces?
Where the feet is?
There's the feces. Where?
Oh, your feet is. I see what you mean.
Rats.
You like your rug?
Yeah.
It matches the caterpillar a little bit, yeah?